Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this frame effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just add a new page, adding the same picture, set as background, go into edit, blur our image, and just blur a bit, like 10 or 15%. Then add the picture again, just moving to the slide, and add this hand holding a Polaroid picture. Add this picture to the project, removing a background, or even if I want I can flip vertically. Just in this case I have to know. Now it's not looking good in this picture. Depends, where is the main part what we would like to show it. Or we can reduce the size. Then go to layers, bring to front, rotating it. Just zoom a bit to see how much we have to rotate to have a same angle, like this. We almost have it. Yeah, now it looks good. To crop the picture left, right, and also the top. We can play with it until we get the result what we really need. Like this here also, just on the top again, and I think we are done, and we have a same. Yeah, maybe this was bit looks better with a reduced size of the hand and this Polaroid picture. But this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.